Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to bind a card to TikTok ads and explain why many advertisers switch from credit cards to virtual cards. Part 1. How to bind a card. Step 1. Go to your TikTok Ads Manager and open Billing. Step 2. Select Payment Method, then click Add Payment. Step 3. Choose Credit or Debit Card. Now enter your card details, card number, expiry date, CVV, and billing address. Make sure the billing country matches the card issuer, or TikTok may decline the payment. Once you hit Submit, TikTok will run a small authorization check. If everything's correct, your card will be added instantly and ready for ad charging. Simple, right? Part 2. Credit card versus virtual card. So, should you use a traditional credit card or a virtual card? Credit card, pros, easy to get started, works for general ad spending. Cons, higher FX fees for global campaigns. Shared cards, messy budgets. Higher risk of suspension if multiple ad accounts use the same card. Now, virtual cards. Pros, instant issuance and multi-currency options. Perfect for managing multiple TikTok ad accounts. Set spending limits per card. Lower FX and better cost control. Safer, no exposure of your main bank card. Cons, requires topping up if prepaid. For serious advertisers running multiple campaigns, virtual cards are the smarter choice. If you want a virtual card built for ads, fast, multi-currency, and budget-friendly, check out PhotonPay Card.